Hello, my name is Mateusz Dudek, and in this video, I want to tell you the reasons why you shouldn't buy Bitcoin in 2019, especially if you're a beginner and you haven't heard about cryptocurrencies, about exchanges. You just want to enter this market. I want to tell you why this is not the best moment, and I think this is like a moment when many people gonna lose their money. So just to give you a knowledge of who I am and why I'm giving myself this permission to talk to you. Right here in Poland, I'm a member of Stowarzyszenie Inwestorów Indywidualnych, Individual Investor Association. I'm investing since 2015 in Forex. I was purchasing oil, and in cryptocurrency business I'm already like 2 years. I have my ups and I have my downs, and I want to share with you my knowledge about what is happening right now and why this moment is very dangerous to start, and why it is not important. The most important thing, the price of Bitcoin is not important, but the moment when the price is in this but when the price is in a specific moment, why right now it's not the best for you to invest. So I'm gonna share you my screen, and now I'm gonna tell you what is happening here. So if you're not experienced and you don't know how to read this, I know that this thing could be looks very weird and dangerous, like wow, what is happening here on this graph, but I'm gonna explain. This thing is showing you the price of Bitcoin in the last year and few months, and right now the price of Bitcoin is about 12,000 US dollars, and since 2018, like November, or in December, we had the lowest price that was in Bitcoin since like a few years. It was 3,000 US dollars, and most of people who were investing like right here when the 2 months of there was no change in the price. It was 6,400 US dollars. It dropped to 3,000. And then it was like on this price for about 2 months, and right now it jumped to 12,000. So the highest price that was ever in Bitcoin here on this market, it was it was over 20,000. What? 25,000, but that was a brief moment. Everybody remembered the price of 20,000 US dollars. So right now, today, let's imagine that you're investing 10,000 US dollars, and right now the price is 12,000. Okay, so imagine that the price will jump like 100%. So it's gonna be 24,000 US dollars. Is it very possible? It could be possible. Like Bitcoin is surprising for many people. So let's say that it is possible. But in this particular moment, you're gonna earn 100%. So from your 10,000 US dollars, you're gonna earn another 10,000. So you're gonna take withdraw 20,000 US dollars. But is it possible? Let me show you something. Right now, price of Bitcoin is 12,000 US dollars. In the history of Bitcoin, at this price at the level of 12,000 US dollars and above was since 3rd of December to 25th of January. So like less than 2 months. So the price on this level was, in the history of Bitcoin, was existing only for 1.5 months. So now you can start to think, okay, so but this is very short period. It's like Bitcoin is 10 years old. So if this price was existing only for 1.5 month, what we can say about today's situation when the price is at a very high level? Everybody is excited about it, and many people are investing. But really, what is the opportunity that this price gonna go up on 100%? even if it does, it will drop very quickly. So when I should, so there is a question when I should start my investing. You should start your investments here, right now, because if the price was between 3 and 4,000 US dollars, from 3,000 US dollars to 12,000 US dollars, you could earn 3 times the amount of money that you've already deposited. So from 10,000 US dollars, you're gonna earn 40,000 US dollars. Does it sound good? Of course it does. From 400 when the price was 4,000 US dollars, you could earn twice as much that you've earned. So you're gonna take 30,000 US dollars, 200% of an income. So if like most of the percentage growth or was like already existed because it surpassed, what we should do right now, in my opinion, if you're a beginner, you should wait and be patient, because patience is the thing that is that makes the difference between people that are earning and that are losing. Because if you see, okay, the price is going up and up, it doesn't matter what the price it is. The thing that really does matter is how high it can go. And maybe there's gonna be a moment when like the lowest price on the Bitcoin will be 12,000, and the price will have this this power to rise to like 600 to 60,000 US dollars, and then you can earn 5 times as much as you've already deposited, and that's gonna be a good moment. So right now, if in this situation when the price was higher only for 1.5 months in the history of Bitcoin, I'm giving you my advice. If you're a beginner, wait, because my great investment advice is it is much better to lose an opportunity than to lose your money. So wait, because if price is going high for last 7 months, it's not gonna be going for eternity. There's gonna be a moment when there's gonna be a drop, and in my opinion, this moment is like closer than you can think. Because maybe the price will drop in 2 weeks, maybe it's gonna drop in 3 months, even 4 months, but it will. And many people who thinks that okay, the price is gonna be growing for eternity will lose a lot of money. So this is my advice, and I hope that that you take this advice, that you can comment on this video, and hope to see you again. Make it.